Blackout Bingo can show a storage error even when your phone still has free space, because the problem can come from the app's cached data or the device's available storage. The fix is to check your actual free space first, then clear temporary app data, or reinstall Blackout Bingo, if necessary. By the end, you'll know exactly which storage checks to make on Android and iPhone without deleting your account unnecessarily. First, check the phone's storage rather than relying on the Blackout Bingo error message. On Android, open Settings, then Storage. Look at the available space and check which categories are using the most storage. If your phone is nearly full, remove large videos, downloads, unused apps, or other files before opening Blackout Bingo again. On iPhone, open Settings, General, then iPhone Storage. Find Blackout Bingo in the app list and check how much space the app is using. This screen also shows whether other apps or files are consuming most of your storage. If you have plenty of free space but Blackout Bingo still reports a storage problem, the next step is clearing temporary data. On Android, open Settings, Apps, Blackout Bingo, then Storage. If your phone provides a clear cache option, use that first. Clearing the cache removes temporary files while keeping the app installed. Do not select Clear Storage or Clear Data unless you understand what it does. Those options can remove locally stored app information and may require you to sign in again. On iPhone, there isn't a general Clear Cache button for individual apps. Instead, use Settings, General, iPhone Storage, Blackout Bingo, then choose Offload App if that option is available. Offloading removes the app while keeping its documents and data, and you can reinstall it from the same screen. If that doesn't fix the error, reinstalling Blackout Bingo is the next practical step. Before deleting the app, make sure your game account is connected to a supported sign-in method, so your progress is not dependent on data stored only on the device. After reinstalling, launch Blackout Bingo and check whether the storage message is gone. So the 3 key fixes are simple. Check your phone's actual available storage, clear temporary data where your device allows it, and reinstall Blackout Bingo if the error continues. Your next step is to open your phone's storage settings now and check whether the problem is genuinely low storage or an app-specific issue. If this fixed the Blackout Bingo storage error, like the video and subscribe for more Blackout Bingo fixes.